Hey guys, it's Tracy here with another curvy flipper flip tip. While we were doing demo in the kitchen, once we opened up the wall, we came across this really interesting electrical run. And as you can see, I'm going to ask you guys if you can recognize a few of the red flags here in this breakfast bar area of the kitchen where the dishwasher was hooked up. And if you're not quite sure, I'm going to let you know. There's two major issues that are halting our demo in this area of the house. One is this electrical hot mess. If you see something like this, you've got old electrical running into new electrical, you're going to want to call an electrician immediately unless you have one on staff that can handle it. The other one is asbestos. These are asbestos wrapped pipes. This is a huge no-no and a major hazard. So we're going to be halting it until we can get this asbestos removed over here. There's your flip tip of the day. Be careful when you open walls because you never know what you're going to get.